Okay, so here we have it, RB7.5, new for 2025. We're pretty excited to get back into the racing market, so I'm just going to run you through some of the changes, option parts that we've changed on the car, and we'll start from front to back. Okay, so where we begin is obviously at the front, aluminium front axles, reduced and sprung weight on there, carbon fibre front shock tower protector, front spoiler, the standard, and obviously we've gone with the alloy front bulkhead, which you can see on the underside here, all as standard. As we move back from there, as you can see straight away with the body shell, we've gone for the new, slightly changed on aero at the rear of the car, lightweight body shell, standard. The main changes at the front are on the Ackerman. So we've changed the plate by reducing the material to increase the changes that we can make there and set up on the day, and also the aluminium bell cranks. We've gone for the longer bell cranks with an adjustable position again to change and tune the Ackerman. As we come further back, in the centre of the car, the two changes are battery tray, carbon fibre with adjusting holes. Pretty conventional now, seen on most other competitors' cars, but it just gives us more space and just looks less cluttered. As we move to the slightly rear, the rear brace has been changed and refined for flex. We've allowed just a little bit more movement in there by reducing some of the material. And obviously then we move further back to the rear shock tower. Carbon fibre, half-hole adjustments on the rear, but the biggest change that you've probably spotted already is that we've moved to the 13mm big bore shock absorbers. This is what the market's asked for, so we've listened and we've produced new springs to go with that. So we're pretty excited to see how testing goes. When we look to the rear, if you have a look inside here, one of the main parts that we've refined is the rear hub carrier. This is going to give us infinite adjustment of up, down, in and out for shorter and longer links, again, to aid that fine tuning. As you move to the back of the car, we had a trailing arm on the rear camber link, and this has been moved now, so that we've actually produced these two aluminium brackets straight off the rear shock tower, and it allows for parallel link, upper link, and full adjustability up and down again. Other than that, we're looking forward to getting back out in the market in 2025, and we hope to see you soon.